Alright, so now we're in downtown Tampa. And got eyes on the state here. Recording the parking enforcement. About to head into the police headquarters. He's going to do some public records requests. Sorry? No, sir. I can't afford something nice like that. What are you doing? Just recording this guy?
Dude, he's written $120 worth of tickets in 5 minutes.
Well, they got to steal money somehow.
$120 in 5 minutes. 4 cars.
I wish I could make that kind of money.
4 cars.
Is he on foot? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Man, he's got a mobile extortion machine.
Yup.
We both followed her.
Banging another one. $150 worth of tickets in 5 minutes.
How much are the parking tickets?
$30 a pop.
Wow.
Literally less than a block from City Hall. With no parking, no public parking, no free public parking, no nothing.
Just following orders.
Tell you what.
Just following orders.
Who got the recording?
Why would you want to do this for a living, man, if you don't mind me asking? Does it pay good? Yeah, alright. You don't feel bad for these people at all?
Parking's cheap.
Huh?
Parking's cheap.
It's cheap. It's like $12, dude.
Parking's not cheap.
$12 is cheap. It's more than I make last year. He found a reason it's cheap.
Sorry.
And this is what they do with license plates, people. You wonder why I'm against license plate and the driver's license? This is what they use it for, to extort money out of you.
$150 worth of tickets.
There you go.
This is what they do. They're like vultures.
Yeah. What a shame.
Write more.
Of course.
That's his whole job, is to walk around extorting people for money.
Yep.
He just came. Right over down around the corner right there. What, you gonna go give him help? Huh? Nice. He's got a receipt for his parking. The dude wrote him a fucking ticket.
Watch out, watch out.
Woo. Ah, sorry.
I have an Aussie too.
You gotta put your license plate in.
Yeah.
You didn't check the plate.
We were just giving him help.
It doesn't say, it says, do you want the receipt or not? Yeah, I'll take the receipt.
Good thing you got the receipt.
What time does it say on there?
20 minutes ago.
It's expired?
Yeah. 3:31. Expires 3:31.
What time you got?
304.
Oh, wow. So he gave you a ticket even though it's not expired. He's right around the corner, man.
Yeah, he's right around this corner right here. He just walked around this front corner. We were just giving him help. You going to get him? Are you? Fuck. We're going too. We got you. We got your back. We're going too.
So he wrote a ticket for...
How are you going to stop him?
We should go to the crosswalk.
Parking?
No, sir. I already parked.
Where is he?
He's right there. Gave this guy a ticket and his time's not even expired yet. Uh-oh. Confrontation. Put on your hazard. You should put your hazards on, brother. You should put your hazards on. Your blinking lights. Nah, this guy just gave him a ticket and his parking wasn't even expired yet. His ticket wasn't expired, dude. His decal. Oh wow. His decal. You mean his registration sticker? Is that what you're talking about?
Hey, well, you guys can stop recording me right now, right? You can't be following me around.
Yes, we can.
Yeah, man, you just extorted wants to know something.
We can't follow him around.
Well, we can't. Extortionist! Shame! Shame!
He's calling somebody now. I got people recording me.
Shame! Shame!
Call 911. Yeah, call 911. Please. They'll let you know. You work for the city, right? You work for the city? If you're not doing anything wrong, man, you shouldn't have a problem.
I don't, but I'm trying to do my job, and you got the.
We're not stopping you. Steal all the money you want. He said he gave that guy a ticket because his registration sticker was out of date.
Oh, the one that he had in his hand?
No, the license plate sticker.
Yeah, because he didn't stick it on there yet, because he got it in the mail today.
Oh, Jesus
he had it
Christ.
in his hand.
Oh, wow.
So it should have came back valid. He just wanted to nitpick though and extort and justify his paycheck.
He just called someone and told them these guys are following me, and they told him to call 911.
Yeah, we're on a public street. We're walking down the road.
We don't care if you record us, bro. We're not butthurt like you. Do your thing, man. Steal all the money you want. We just want to watch.
Look at all these tickets right here. All these tickets. He wrote all these tickets. I bet 50% of these, because the one that he wrote right there wasn't even a legal ticket.
Aren't you going to call 911? It's an emergency.
Oh, so candy.
Why'd you stop stealing money? Keep stealing people's money, man. We just want to watch how you do it. There you go. Found a cop. Oh, that's a VA cop. He can't help you. No jurisdiction.
These guys are following me here. I don't know these guys at all.
He's out here right writing tickets he shouldn't be. That's why.
But
I
you
see.
can't
Wrote a
harass me
ticket
while
to a
I'm doing
guy
my
that
job. though.
literally was no ticket.
Oh, that,
Yeah.
I got you. Well, listen.
I'm not saying he's writing tickets that he shouldn't be on other
Yeah,
things.
well,
but
listen, I
we
don't-
watched him do it on film.
Well, I'm not with Tampa. I'm with.
Yeah, he's a
so I
VA.
have no- I have
That's
nothing-
okay,
yeah,
sir.
I have nothing to do with this.
Got
We appreciate you, man.
Yeah, have a good one, man. Have a good one. Shame! 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 Shame!
Maybe she'll help you, man.
Hey, we need his employee ID number and stuff.
I doubt he'll give it to us.
You got it? We need it. Yeah, they are, right here.
Got a Karen out, worried about what we're doing now. Still think we can't follow you? All right, you figured it out, huh? All right, right on. Hey, give me your name and employee number and I'll leave you alone. Yeah, you're stealing people's money. Yeah, you are. It's exactly what you're doing. Give me your name and your employee number and I'll leave you alone. I didn't say you did anything wrong.
Where's the parking permit for that one? Has that one been paid on time?
Yeah, you got a permit?
Parked in a no parking zone. XD 3094, car number 2214. Parking division. Parked in a no parking zone.
Parked in a
no
fire
parking
lane.
zone.
You're parked
no
in a
seatbelt
fire-
on. No seatbelt on. Going to drive away.
Look at this hypocrite right here.
Look at this.
Parks in a fire lane. You're parked in a fire lane, you hypocrite POS.
Parked in a clear no parking zone. Out here giving people tickets.
Wow.
2214.
Wow.
This thing, it's filthy too. Clean our car out.
Oh, the hypocrisy of government. Look at that.